Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making Jamaican chicken soup. So to start off, this is what you will need. So I have my pumpkin, I have my chocho, and I have my carrots, my scallion, my thyme, some more cut up scallions, and then here I have, see, I have my corn, I have my cassava, I have white Danish, I have sweet potatoes, plantains, corn, yam, and then here I have the Sunshine Jamaican noodle soup. I have my chicken. You can use any kind of chicken. I washed it with lemon and vinegar. I have my garlic, my Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, my salt, black pepper, and I have a little bit of sazon for color. So the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to put your vegetables in. So I'm going to start off and I'm going to put my pumpkins in. Oh, and make sure you have your scotch bonnet peppers. Alright, so I'm adding my pumpkin. You got to make sure the water is boiling. Alright, got my pumpkins. Got my carrots. We are having soup today, and with soup you can have this anytime. It doesn't need to be cold to have this kind of soup. Alright, and then I'm going to add my chocha into the pot. Alright, I added those. Okay. And then make sure you have your pimento seeds as well. So I'm going to add my garlic. And then I have half a teaspoon of salt, pimento seeds. Alright, and then I have my Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. Alright, and then we are going to, I'm going to add some black pepper. Oh my dear Lord. Alright, so I've added the black pepper. That way it has some flavor. Alright, let me add the sazon. Just a little bit for color. And now I'm going to add my chicken. And like I said, you can use any type of chicken. And I soaked my chicken in vinegar and lemon. Alright. So once I add all of my chicken into the pot, and I have a Dutchie, I have me a Dutchie pot. So if you don't have a Dutchie pot, it's okay, but I'm using the Dutchie. Alright, so let me finish adding my chicken. So yeah, once I finish adding my chicken, I'm going to let that boil for about 30 minutes. Then I'm going to come back. When I come back, I'm going to add my Jamaican chicken noodle soup. I'm going to add my scallions and my thyme. So, and then let me just finish adding in my corn, my plantains, my cassava, so just adding in all these good vegetables for my soup. Alright, so once I have done that, I am going to give it a good stir. You want to give it a good stir so it can mix all in. And you see I have the big Dutchie pot. Alright, so I'm stirred in everything together, mixed everything. So now I'm just going to let this boil for 30 minutes. And then I will be back and let you guys see what the next step will be for my Jamaican chicken soup.